Does not include them landing. They're just going to be orbiting it, and it should take them about 4 days to reach the vicinity of the moon.
Yeah, so the last time we were in the neighborhood, I was 2 years old, 1969. Look at this. And I made it on the cover of the newspaper on Moon Day, July 21st, 1969. That's me, or I'm sorry, I'm on that side. I'm 2 years old trying to call the astronauts.
Wow.
And this is Paterson, New Jersey, the North, what is it called? The Morning News in Paterson.
I am impressed.
Astros walk on moon. I'm on the front page.
So your parents, I'm assuming,
I was destined for media.
They saved it for you and, and said, here, Bill, we have something.
I've got a few copies.
That's amazing.
All right, let me show you what we've got with this rainfall event. 2 rain makers, and I want to begin with the total that we're expecting. All right, so first things first, tonight and tomorrow morning, this rain moves in, and here we go. We're going to take a look now at that map, and I'm going to show you. There we go. And we're going to see exactly how much rain moves in with this, and we're looking at less than a quarter of an inch, maybe 1/1200th of 1 inch. It's not going to be much. This is between now and Friday. Really looks like this first rainmaker's rain will stay north of San Antonio, but look at how things change once we get into Saturday. The day before Easter looks to be a wet one with rainfall totals approaching 2 to 2.5 inches, and that is just what we need. And this is all extreme drought areas, so we really need this rain. It could really be down to the south and west for the exceptional drought pocket, but we take every drop. We are in extreme drought, San Antonio and areas south. So mostly cloudy skies, another breezy, warm day with a lot of 90s out there, 89 in the city, 82 at Bernie, 90 at Seguin. And if you're heading out for Wednesday night plans, I think it'll be a little breezy at times, but we really won't see much of a change in sky condition or temperatures. Another mild night, no rain in the forecast. The radar's been pretty dry today, despite all the humidity and the cloud cover. We saw a few little sprinkles yesterday morning, didn't see much today until you get down I-10 closer to Houston for some downpours, now moving north. In fact, a few thunderstorms on I-45, and Houston had some pretty good rain earlier. All right, so here's the setup. Stationary front just dropping south of the Red River Valley, but it's this Pacific front that's going to swing in and probably blow up a few good thunderstorms across West Texas, but it doesn't appear much will move south into the city. So 2 models. Let's take a look first at the graph, 3 a.m., and you see the storms around Sonora and Junction, clipping Fredericksburg, hitting Austin maybe 7 to 8 a.m., and only a few sprinkles for us. Okay, and if we go into Friday night, now we've got a few good downpours between Del Rio and Uvalde about 10 o'clock Friday night, and then the Saturday rain, and I'll show you that in a moment. But first, Wednesday night, Thursday, this model, the HRRR, a little more optimistic with heavy rain down into Kerrville, Bandera, Bernie at about 7 a.m., and right up the 281 corridor, pushing into the city at 9 o'clock, and some healthy downpours near Bernie, also far west San Antonio, with a few downpours lingering into midday. Then a little bit more on Friday. So side by side, obviously the latter of the two is the one we want, with a little bit more rain for San Antonio, but it doesn't appear it's going to be much until Saturday. Look at this. By 3 to 4 p.m., heavy rain, I-35 corridor pushing south for Saturday night, early Sunday right now. It's still the case, but it's still looking like it could be a couple of inches of rain on Saturday. So campers, be aware of that. Now, here's the 14-day forecast. We're going to begin with this weather impact alert for communities west of us. As I mentioned, the only real storm threat now is going to be Del Rio or Rock Springs. San Antonio, maybe just a few showers. We only have a 10% chance of a shower on Good Friday, but it goes up quick. 70% Saturday, 40% Easter Sunday. Look at the temperature difference too, 79 on Saturday, and a windy, cooler 67 on Sunday. So 67 will even have a little chill on it, mainly because of that wind speed. Northeast cooking. And so expect that to be a breezy Easter Sunday before the sun's back out. Temperatures will gradually warm as we get into the 8th, 9th, and 10th, and bring back rain chances. The weekend of the 11th and 12th looks like we could see some rain there as well.